Hello everyone! Welcome to our family vlog. So today, we just did a little mukbang and we answered 5 random questions as first time parent. Please enjoy the video! Bye! Everyone! I'm with Hubby and I have 5 questions for us to answer. Okay, pick one. Pick one. 5 random questions. After pandemic, what is your dream family vacation? Hubby. After pandemic, what is your dream family vacation?
Siguro,
Boracay. Ako din. Sabi natin, dadalhin natin siya din. Next question. What is your recently finished Netflix show? Movie or series? Nevertheless, Korean series and its happy ending.
dancing.
Is it scary? Ano yung series ba yun? Ay, yung series ba yun na scary?
Series.
Pero hindi scary.
9 episodes. Very scary. Not scary.
Love story.
Hindi
Love
parang
story. Next. Who will be more strict parent?
Huh?
Who will be more strict parent? Okay. Balance siguro.
Oh well.
Siyempre, father.
Ooh.
Next. What was favorite thing of the day? What was your favorite thing of the day?
Today.
Maybe today or as in general, your favorite thing every day? I don't know. What was your favorite thing of the day?
Yun.
Bakit mo?
Pagising. Yeah.
Yung katabi pa nila. Me too, being into food.
Diba?
Isa pa eh.
Um,
How do you support breastfeeding? Or how do you breastfeed me or ano mo sinasuporta ng breastfeeding journey ko?